The basic concept of food security globally is to ensure that all people at all times should get access to basic food for their active and healthy life. Even during the COVID times, the government has considered the importance of availability, access, utilization, and stability of food. Therefore, significant measures have been implemented to ensure food security across the length and the breadth of the country. In a considerate move to help out the needy, the government has approved the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana from July 2021 up to November 2021. An additional allocation of 5 kg of food grains including wheat or rice will be provided to around 80 crore National Food Security Act beneficiaries with an estimated financial implication of up to Rs 67,266 crores. Further, the food grains will be provided free of cost and include a total quantity of around 204 lakh metric tons of food grains for a period of 5 months. Moreover, this additional free of cost allocation of food grains will be over and above the regular monthly food grains allocated for beneficiaries covered under the National Food Security Act. Besides, the entire cost of this additional allocation under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, including the expenditure on interstate transportation, dealers' margin, will be borne by the Government of India without any sharing by states or union territories. In 2021, owing to the ongoing economic disruptions across the country, the government had announced the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana for a period of 2 months at an estimated expenditure of about Rs 26,602 crores. For this very purpose, a total allocation of over 79 lakh metric tons of food grains was also done by the government. Under the scheme, the states and union territories had lifted more than 96% of the allocated food grains. Further, more than 35 lakh metric tons of food grains have been distributed by states or union territories from May 2021, and more than 23 lakh metric tons of food grains have been distributed for June 2021. Moreover, to address the issues of food security, the National Food Security Act covers up to 75% of the rural population and 50% of the urban population, while Antyodaya Ann Yojana households are entitled to 35 kg of food grains per family per month, and priority households are entitled to 5 kg per person per month. Also, to ensure seamless access to the public distribution system, the government has also actively implemented the ambitious plan of the One Nation, One Ration Card. The One Nation, One Ration Card is a central government initiative that allows eligible beneficiaries to avail food grains they are entitled to under the National Food Security Act from any fair price shop, also known as ration shops, across the country. Due to the continuous endeavors of the government, the United Nations World Food Programme has also said that the world has lessons to learn from India on providing food for all. During this unprecedented health crisis, the central government has dedicatedly performed its duties to ensure food accessibility and availability across the country. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.